What's up guys, this is the chrono test. So for the chronograph, we have a Ace Tech. We're using .20 BBs. KWA K-Mag is my preferred magazine for this gun. We're using 11.1 25C 1200 mAh battery. Here's the trigger response for you guys. Here's the full auto. Should be around 30 RPS. Alright, we got a mag all loaded up. Let's do a chrono test. My first test fire was 346. Let's see what we get next. .343. 350. So we have 346 on the board. Let's go see our averages. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but our maximum was 360 FPS, our minimum was 343, and our average was 347 with .20s. One more chronograph, here we go. .345. Do a quick full auto test. About 27 RPS. Here's some gameplay to show you what this thing is actually made of. Hey guys, thank you so much for staying for the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed, please consider subscribing. Liking and commenting on the video would be greatly appreciated. Ask me any questions in the comments below. The parts will also be in the bio. Thanks so much for watching guys. Until next time.